Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download and install all drivers automatically in one click on Windows PC. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up Chrome and search driver booster and press enter. This is the tool that helps you to update all drivers. Select the first link IO bit, scroll down, select I accept and select the free download option. And you just need to wait for this download to get done. After getting download and click on it and install it, select more info option and select run anyway. Select the yes option, select the install option, make sure it is unchecked or here in recommendation. After that, select the install option, select accept, wait for this to get done. Select the no thanks option and select scan now. Just to close stuff here, minimize it and select this scan option. This will scan all latest drivers for your system. You just need to select the update now option and select OK option, and it will start updating all the drivers, guys. This is how the driver booster will help. You just need to wait for this installing to get 100%. After getting done, your all drivers are up to date, guys. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.